All right, so I'm just heading out the door to a surprise party. One of my best girlfriend's 60th birthday. I wanted to share this with you. I just got this. I'm so excited about it. This brings out the inner Angelina Jolie lips. So, Hung Van Gogh. I will put the shade that I have here. Anyway, let me just show you. I'm going to do half my lip first. I don't usually have these long nails. I recently just cut my nails off. Kind of do a restart. Check it out. Artist who's developed his own line. He works with a lot of models and stuff like that. Let me finish my lip. There's hyaluronic acid in this. So it keeps your lips really moist, but it is matte and long lasting. It's a little dark. If I can get through the day without cutting myself with these, it would be a miracle. Anyway, check it out. Hung Van Gogh. He is a makeup artist to like a lot of models. He's up and coming. I believe he migrated to Vancouver from, oh gosh, don't quote me, Cambodia or Vietnam, something like that. And he made his dream come true by hard work, his creativity, and his magic. You have to check this out. It feels amazing on your lips. It's not the cheapest. I will put the price up here. I can't remember, but oh, so worth it. It's so great. I want to buy every single shade that he has. I hope you enjoyed this quick little product review. And if you want lips that bring out your inner Angelina Jolie, then this is the brand that you want to try. Move over, Angie. Okay, I want you to see this in the natural light. Wouldn't usually like on the day-to-day use this color per se, as it's a little darker and than I wear daily, but I'm heading to the theater. Anyway, this lipstick, there's something really, really special about it. My lips feel moist, they feel hydrated. I don't know, I can't explain it. I've never felt anything like it. I love it, it lasts, and it doesn't dry my lips, and I like that it's kind of matte too. All right, so that was just a quick little video. I wanted to kind of bang out to show you this new lipstick that I'm so excited about. Anyway, I have to run and not be late for my best girlfriend's 60th birthday surprise. So until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your skin, and remember, you've got this.